Okay, so this is the material we have for the new table for in the camper. The bottom one's going to be the tabletop, and this one we're going to make the legs out of. They're both cut down to 18 inches wide, and I need to get 2 legs out of this. So. Just kind of freehanding what I want the legs to look like.
Here's that. It does look like a table leg.
Yeah. That'll probably hold up a table. Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna round the corner here with the router. Something like that. So, here we've attached the back brace and the lower kind of kick bar brace, whatever you want to call it. And there it is, right side up. Now all we have to do is attach the tabletop. We will have ourselves a nice table. There's the table all stained up. I just got done spraying 3 coats of this fast drying polyurethane semi-gloss stuff. And yeah, we'll let that dry and then it'll be ready to install. Alright, so we got to install the new table in the camper. And here I want to show you what it looks like. Overall, pretty happy. So there it is. We have to still order the new stools. Those are just the chairs we already had. Those are going to go away and we're going to get, I think, actually 4 stools. Then we can just stack them up and store them underneath there when we're not using them. So, pretty happy overall with how it turned out. Kind of fits perfect with the table there. Unfortunately, as you can probably see, we did use pine. It was cheap, it was easy, and I really didn't plan on Lucy jumping up there, and her claws just dug easily into that soft pine. So I may have to replace the top with an oak, a piece of oak, but that'll be once we get back from our next trip. But for now, it'll work good. Fits in there nice, and it kind of gives a lot of open space there now, and it just makes it feel more open in the camper overall. And then, while I was at it, I built this cool little end table here. And this doubles as a dog crate. So, since Lucy destroyed the other couch, we decided to make a dog crate / end table as a place to put her when we're not in the camper. That's the only time she'll be in there. If we're all leaving for something and nobody's going to be in to watch her, keep an eye on her, she's got to go in that. Just until she gets done with the chewing. Once she's done with the chewing phase, she can roam all day long. I don't care. I've been kind of teasing on where we're headed next, and I'm excited to announce we're actually going up to Alaska. We are leaving in a couple weeks, and we are heading up through Canada to Alaska. It's going to be pretty exciting. We're going to get some really pretty video and some exciting adventures for you guys to follow along with. All right, thanks for watching, guys.